Need the best auto body shop in the Cedar Park, Texas South Jonestown Hills area? If you are searching for an auto body shop in Cedar Park, South Jonestown Hills area, you can quit searching. Watch this auto body shop video for Cedar Park, Texas South Jonestown Hills service, auto body repairs estimates. Even if we have vehicle insurance policy to fall back on when we enter a crash, recognizing the prices of crash repair service is advantageous in the future as a result of the influence it. Recognizing how much a repair service can potentially cost additionally influences just how you will take care of a crash repair shop. And also, if the damage to your vehicle is substantial enough, recognizing the possible price of repair service will aid you choose on whether to assert for a total loss or not. As lots of vehicle owners may have experienced, premiums do climb based on an owner's case's history, and also recognizing when to assert or not has an influence on your future funds. Why do apparently basic repair services, such as repairing a dented bumper, price so much? It's not only the crash repair shop's markup, although it is a variable to take into consideration. An uninformed owner may assume that it's a simple matter of securing the bumper, wailing away with a hammer, applying some filler and afterwards painting things. Well, one could do that, yet would the end result be a coating that you would must have along with maintain the value of the vehicle? More than likely not. Lots of prices related to crash repair service are things that are not evident to the untrained eye. Cords and also sensors may need to be replaced. A non-visible sub-assembly may need to be aligned. A urethane bumper may need added layers of primer or filler. Or there may be gaskets, seals or trim that demand replacing to make sure a leak-proof cabin. Then include in that the price of labor for appropriately doing a specialist work, and also those little things swiftly build up. If you take a close check out the damage to your automobile in this sort of light, you will understand that the parts and also labor needed to restore your vehicle to its untouched condition actually do build up. To get an even far better suggestion of what it would cost a crash repair shop to repair your automobile, checklist the parts you assume will need replacement and also head down to a parts supplier. Don't neglect the paint along with the primers and also fillers that will need to be applied. If you can make use of aftermarket parts as opposed to OEM parts, seek out their rates also. When taking into consideration a price quote for the damage to your vehicle, don't limit yourself to what is undoubtedly damaged. Additionally, consider what could be wrong. Labor costs vary, yet it's secure to claim that a lot more experienced and also experienced the service technicians are in an offered crash repair shop, a lot more pricey they will be. On the plus side, you will be ensured that they will get the repair service done appropriately and also swiftly. This is additionally crucial to bear in mind when taking care of repair service chains. Consistency is not always their forte, and also where one branch may have exceptional top quality, the next may be minimal. Complete auto body near me for Cedar Park, Texas South Jonestown Hills. Come by a local auto body shop in the Cedar Park, Texas South Jonestown Hills area to get your car back on the road today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.